Hello, this is our 2018 Lexus RX450H-L in the luxury spec. The car is finished in a titanium silver, stunning alloys. We just walk you down along the driver's side here. This is a 3.5 litre petrol hybrid offering 45 miles to the gallon. It's on a cork plate and it's a 7-seater. Automatic rear door opening and closing is a feature of the car. At the moment we have one of the seats down, but it's a 7-seater. Good sized boot, even with the 7 seats up. In the second row of seats, these are adjustable to allow access to the third row of seats. It's finished in a beautiful beige leather that is also perforated. Pull down armrests with cup holders. Air supply to the rear. This beige colouring is carried into the door cards, and above the door cards there's a beautiful mocha colour. Third row seats. This car has only 31,546 kilometres on it. This car has a huge list of extras. Headlights are LEDs, rear headlights are LEDs, daytime running lights are LEDs. Please have a look at our website for the full list of extras, but just to show you a few, it has cruise control, it has colour reversing camera, it has voice activated Bluetooth, automatic headlights, anti-collision, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, folding mirrors. The list just goes on with this car. It also has heated seats in the front for passenger and driver, and there are also air conditioned seats as well for the summer. So that's our 2018 hybrid Lexus RX450H-L. If you have any further inquiries in the car, please do give us a call on 091 38 3000. And thanks very much for watching.